Hi, this is Kuntal. In the last video, we have shown how we can do the parent and child HTML window access, means from the parent window to the child window and from the child window to the parent window. And at the end of that video, I just asked why the same program is not running in Chrome. So before watching this video, you must watch the previous video from the link I have pasted in the description of this video. Also, you can get that link from the I button. And in this video, I will explain why that was not possible to run in the Chrome browser. So the reason behind it that particular web pages was running from my desktop directly, and no domain name was getting attached to it, means it was not running from any server. And due to this, Chrome was checking and it was refusing this kind of direct intervention of the HTML because it was not getting the proper domain name or the server details, that it is getting generated from a particular server and with a particular domain, and for both of the HTML pages are coming from the same domain or not. And to explain this more, I am just elaborating with this particular picture. As you can see, there is a parent window which is from a banking site, probably let's say it is the domain www.indianbank.com, and from here two particular child windows are opened. And now if you think that there is a hacker intervention and the hacker has changed the parent window to something else, here also the child window, if it is accessing the objects of the parent window, it will continue to assign values in the parent window even if that parent window is replaced with a hacker's phishing attack by some another domain window with the same names maybe. So those fields from the child window can be captured in the main page and data can be intervened, and data can be like this way can be hijacked. So there is a security check in the Chrome to avoid this kind of hacker phishing attack. So that is why Chrome first checks whether the child window and the parent window inter access is happening from a same domain or not. So when it is getting run from the same server, so that kind of error will not come, so that exception will not occur. So this error actually is cross-site exception. So now what I will do, I have created server Apache Tomcat, and from here you can run these two particular HTML files. So I have copied these two files and I am going to post in the root folder. So I have pasted it. So now what you can do, you can run it from the browser. I have opened that parent window, that HTML file, and I am providing some value, and then I am opening the child window, and from the child window I am giving some value. So now I can access the value of the child window from the parent window and also from the parent window's value from the child window. So this is getting run in Chrome browser without any issue. Hope this video has explained the doubt, and to clear out this doubt I am making this separate video. Thank you very much for watching my video, and like this topic I will discuss more items in future also. So please subscribe to this channel so that I can update you on some critical items like this in future also. Thank you very much. Bye bye.